Oh no, it's already 7:30. We really overslept this time.
Milo, wake up, buddy. We're seriously late.
Huh? What time did you say? 7:30? No way. Our flight leaves at 10.
10 o'clock. Oh boy, that means panic mode. All right, team, let's move.
Leela, Ben, rise and shine. Today is not a sleeping in day.
Mom, 5 more minutes, please.
5 more minutes? No. Today we're going to Costa Rica, remember?
Costa Rica? The place with jungles and monkeys?
Yes, that one. But we'll only see monkeys if we catch the plane, so let's go.
Okay, I'm awake. Where's my green jacket?
In your closet, second shelf. And then start looking for your shoes.
I can't find them anywhere.
Here, young explorer. Why are your shoes under your pillow again?
Oh, thanks, Dad. I forgot I put them there.
Passports, tickets, phone chargers, snacks. Wait, where are the snacks?
In the striped bag. And don't forget the coffee. No adult trip starts without it.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and 2 books.
Great job, Leela. Ben, how about you?
I packed my toy robot and my baseball cap.
Only that? What about your clothes?
Oh, right. I'll grab clothes too.
Maybe he thinks he's moving to the beach forever.
Very funny. But seriously, we still need a taxi.
Already called. It'll be here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? But I haven't brushed my hair yet.
Num, you look nice already.
Nice try, sweetheart. But a comb never hurts.
All right. Checklist time. Passports?
Check.
Tickets?
Check.
Snacks?
Check.
Chargers? Double check.
Perfect. I think we're good.
Wait, my stuffed monkey. Where did it go?
On the sofa. Here you go. Let's move before something else goes missing.
Good morning. Need a ride to the airport?
Yes, please. Terminal 3.
All right, hop in, everyone.
Seatbelts? Everyone buckled?
I'm so excited. I've never flown before. Do airplanes really have bathrooms?
Yes, tiny ones. Like toy bathrooms for grown-ups.
Cool. I want to try it.
Not now. Wait until we're in the sky, please.
Oh no. Traffic. Cars. Please move.
Relax, Milo. The airport's close. We'll make it.
Mom, what will we see in Costa Rica?
Beaches, volcanoes, rainforests, colorful birds, so many animals.
I want to see a sloth.
And I want a peaceful beach with my phone turned off.
Mum with no phone? Impossible.
Okay, maybe one phone, for photos only.
Can we have ice cream there?
We will eat ice cream every single day.
Yay!
Costa Rica is amazing. So green, so alive.
You've been there?
Twice. The rainforest is like another world. Bring mosquito spray, though.
Wait, did you pack it?
Maybe not. I'll buy one at the airport.
There's no maybe with the passports.
Don't worry, got 'em right here.
Num, look, airplanes, real ones.
Finally, we made it. Terminal 3.
Have a great trip, folks.
Thank you.
Okay, explorers, find the gate.
Maybe a snack, maybe a souvenir.
Maybe let's actually be on time first.
Good idea. Costa Rica, here we come.
Wow, the airport is huge.
Morning flights are always busy. It's like a giant shopping mall.
I can see the planes from here.
Yes, and we'll be in one soon. First, check in.
There. The line for Costa Rica, Gate B.
Perfect.
What's check-in?
We give our passports and tickets. They give us boarding passes.
And then we get on the plane?
Not yet. First comes security.
What's security?
People check your bags for anything dangerous. No toy swords today.
But toy planes are okay, right?
Yes, planes are fine.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. We're flying to San Jose, Costa Rica.
Great. May I have your passports, please?
Here you go. 4 passports. Any check luggage today?
Yes, we have these 2 big suitcases. They're heavier than they look. Guess what?
All right, please place them on the scale one at a time.
This first one, oof, might be over the limit.
Let's take a look. 24 kilograms. Still under the maximum. You're good.
Oh, wow. I was sure it was at least 30. Good thing I didn't pack the extra shoes.
And here are your boarding passes. You'll be departing from gate 22. Boarding begins at 9:30.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mom. But what exactly is a boarding pass?
It's a small card that shows your seat number and your gate. It's what lets you onto the airplane.
So it's like a golden ticket to the sky?
Exactly. Your ticket to fly.
Mine says window seat. What does that mean?
It means you get to sit right next to the window and look outside at the clouds.
Yes, I want to see all the clouds, every single one.
Uh-oh. Look at this security line.
Don't worry, airport lines look long, but they move quickly.
But why do we have to take our shoes off? Well,
It's part of security. They check shoes, bags, pockets, everything. Safety first.
even shoes. Wow, they must really love shoes.
Please remove any metal items, watches, belts, coins, keychains.
Oh, right. And my necklace. And my hairpins.
Hairpins are fine, but you can take them out if you want. Your choice.
Look, Mum. I'm pretending to fly already.
Save that excitement for when we're actually in the air, little pilot.
Finally, we passed security. Let's sit down for a second.
Coffee time for the grown-ups. Absolutely.
I go grab some. Kids, what do you want?
A sandwich for me, please.
Can I get French fries?
1 sandwich, 1 fries. Got it. Be right back.
Here we go. Breakfast number 2.
Thank you, Mom.
These fries are so good. Super crunchy.
Careful. Don't spill them on your shirt.
Too late. Oops. Guess I'm already in vacation mode.
Mom, what's Costa Rica like? Is it really all jungle?
It's warm and very green. Lots of rainforests. Lots of beaches. Everywhere you look, there's nature.
Do they have monkeys?
Oh yes, lots of monkeys. And bright, colorful birds.
Can we swim every day?
Every single day if you want. The water is warm and beautiful.
I just hope we didn't forget anything important.
Wait. Hold on. Did we pack the sunscreen?
Uh-oh. I think I left it on the kitchen counter.
Oh no, Lucas. The tropical sun will melt us alive.
Don't worry. We can buy some after landing. We always manage somehow.
You always say that.
And everything always turns out fine, doesn't it?
Maybe you're just weirdly lucky.
Of course. I'm lucky because I married your mother.
Oh, stop it, you two.
Attention, passengers flying to San Jose, Costa Rica. Boarding will begin at gate 22 in 10 minutes.
That's us. Time to go.
Yay, yeah! Costa Rica! Let's run. Let's run.
Wait. No running. We'll make it in time. Promise.
Okay, team. Passports and boarding passes, everyone ready?
Check.
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 All right, Team Costa Rica. Let's fly.
Adventure. Here we come.
Okay, everyone buckle up. Seatbelts on tight.
Ready for takeoff. I can see the wing from my seat.
Me too. It looks huge up close.
Good morning, everyone. Please keep your seatbelts fastened as we prepare for takeoff.
Whoa! We're moving fast.
Hold on, sweetheart. We're lifting off now.
Look! The ground is getting tiny. Overload capabilities.
And up, 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 we're in the clouds.
They're doing great. I was worried Theo might get scared.
He's more curious than scared, and Ava's too busy watching cartoons to notice anything.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Orange juice for the kids, coffee for us, and maybe a pack of cookies.
The cookies are so tiny.
Their plain snacks are the best. Everything mini-sized.
especially when you don't have to cook anything.
What was that?
Just turbulence, honey. It's like driving on a bumpy road.
Oh, then we're okay.
It feels like a tiny roller coaster.
Exactly. And roller coasters are fun.
Can I look out the window again?
Sure, the clouds look like cotton candy today.
I want to eat one.
Save that craving for Costa Rica. Real candy awaits.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing shortly in San Jose. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Hear that? We're almost there.
Finally, I can't wait to see the monkeys.
First, let's hope our luggage made it.
We did it! Safe flight!
That's not something you shout out loud, Theo. But yes, we landed perfectly.
Wow, look at this crowd. There are so many people holding signs. Feels like a sea of names.
Yeah, everyone looks like they're searching for someone. Oh, look over there. Someone is holding a sign with giant letters.
Let's see. It says Dalton family. Nope, that's not us.
What about the one next to him? Evelyn Watson. Close but not quite.
Oh no, here's another one. Emery Walters. They almost got it right, but our mom's name is Mira, not Emery.
Hello, are you the Emery Walters family?
Almost. Very close. Her name is Mira, not Emery. But yes, we're the family you're supposed to pick up.
Ah, I apologize. My mistake. I think my glasses were foggy. Welcome to Costa Rica.
He spelled your name wrong, Long.
That's okay, sweetheart. Now we have a fun travel story to laugh about later.
And the important thing is he still found us.
Yes, yes. Please follow me. Your vehicle is parked right outside.
The moment those doors opened, wow. Feel that air. It's warm, sweet, and smells like fresh flowers.
I hear birds. Do you hear that? Sounds like parrots or something magical.
Maybe parrots. Maybe something even cooler. We'll find out soon.
Welcome to Costa Rica, my friends. Your hotel is Blue Horizon Resort, yes?
Yes, that's the one. Blue Horizon.
I can't wait to swim, explore, and spot some wild animals.
One adventure at a time, you two explorers. First step, finding our rooms and letting our legs rest.
Agreed. After hours of airports, lines, and airplane seats, I just want a giant soft bed.
Same here. My back feels like a pretzel after that long flight.
We made it through.
We sure did. Costa Rica, our new journey begins right now.
And just like that, our first day comes to an end, starting with a wild morning rush, airport chaos, a bumpy flight, and even a mix-up with our MAME sign.
But somehow, through all the madness, we made it across the world and arrived safely in beautiful Costa Rica.
What happens next? Let's just say this place has many surprises waiting for us. Tropical animals, new foods, hidden beaches, and maybe a few oops moments too.
Stay with us on this fun ride. More stories, more adventure, and more laughs are coming your way.
If you enjoyed today's story on Chloe Daily English, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you never miss the next chapter in our Costa Rica adventure.